Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to use one mobile to take pictures from the other mobile. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to connect to the same Wi-Fi internet connections. As you can see above, I'm already connected in both the device. So after you connected on board the device, what you need to do is you need to download one application named as you can see here, Japaya WebShare. So let me show you by going in the Play Store. So let me type you. You just type a Japaya. So you just scroll down and you can see here Japaya WebShare. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it. So in one of your mobile devices, you need to have this applications get installed. So you firstly download and install this Japaya WebShare file sharing in web browser. So once you install these applications, open it. So as you can see here below, there is a red button. Just tap on it, and here you can see here it's connected to the pure wireless LAN, and even the IP address has been given. Open in browser and entrance browser. So what you need to do next is on the other device you need to open one web browser. Say I'm opening here Chrome browser. You can use any web browser. So on there you need to type the IP address as exactly as sounds in the other phones. So you just type it, and just after typing the complete address, just hit enter, and there it connect. So here what you can see here, so you can see my device name Redmi Note 8 Pro. So what you need to do is you need to select this camera option. So you can see below, you can see the camera which you are seeing in the right hand side is a picture from the Redmi Note 8 Pro from the left hand side. See, and when I'm moving this the left side of left mobile, you can exactly see the screen in the right hand side of your mobile. So if you want to click pictures from here, then you just need to tap this camera button, just click it, and it will be saved. So you can check the picture which you have taken right now just by going to this button, tap on the photo. So here you can see the photo which you have captured. So in this way you can remotely connect other mobile devices and capture from the other devices, and you can even access the photos and videos and files using this process. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.